Yo, what's going on, guys? Hola, bienvenidos, welcome and welcome back. Appreciate you guys for being here, and yes, we have something to give out. I will announce that in a bit. You guys probably already know. It's a beautiful Saturday morning, and we're gonna get the day started. All right, so let's jump off here to a better angle where I can actually sit down and talk to you guys. Actually, I have a day off, so I'm trying to enjoy it, and I just need to get this video out for you guys. I'll explain. I also wanted to answer a few questions. I don't do a lot of Q&As, but originally that's kind of what the live stream was supposed to be, was Q&A for me and topics that I wanted to bring up. And I was gonna answer comments during the live stream. That's kind of what it was supposed to be. Then it turned into this whole thing with the guests, and I know you guys have been enjoying it. I have some awesome ones lined up, so I love it though. With you guys being there for that gives me the energy to do the live streams. All right, a little better setting, right? The van, trusty old van. I appreciate everybody that's here watching, subscribing, all that good stuff. I always set little goals for myself, and this summer I want to hit 8,000 subscribers. We're very close. We're at 7.48, so a little over 500 subs to go. So once we hit that, I'll also do another giveaway. I have something lined up. I just need to make sure that that's going to come through. And yeah, so make sure you stay tuned, you're subscribed, all that good stuff. And hopefully by the end of the year, we can hit 10,000 or be very close to it. I appreciate you guys, for liking, commenting, being subscribed, all that stuff helps. And then in turn, I try to do these random giveaways at different times of the year. So the more, and it helps, right? The more subs, the more likes, the more comments, the more these companies are willing to give out stuff for the viewers. So all that stuff helps. Just dropping a like helps tremendously. Watching the video all the way through helps tremendously. And then I can try and give back in different ways. I also want to thank my members, my YouTube members. So right now that's going to be Fabricio, Ruben, Mr. R, Jonathan, and Gary. Really appreciate you guys. That helps with shipping cost, making stickers, getting all that stuff done. And then of course I will send you guys that stuff when I have them. And you can also request stickers in my link. So I just want to mention you can go to reliablehvacr.net because I've been asked about, I was gonna go through comments today. There was a comment about the NWO shirt. I have an NWO style HVAC shirt. That's all in the merch link. So if you go to reliablehvacr.net, there's going to be, of course, a lot of discount links, tool links. If you guys see anything in my videos that you want to check out, you don't have to buy it from Amazon, but a lot of the stuff is going to be listed from Amazon. Of course, no extra cost to you. I make a small commission, so it does help the channel out too if you order through Amazon. But if you just want to go look around and maybe get a part number, a SKU, whatever, and then just kind of look around and maybe you can buy it or find it at Home Depot or Walmart or whatever is close to you, or your supply house, then you can do that too. But there is a tool link. It gets updated as much as I can, and usually that stuff, you'll see stuff pop up there before you see it on my channel, because lately I've just been behind on videos, if I'm gonna be honest. So it's only gonna get busier. We have summer coming up. It's really windy today. Our weather has been up and down. So yeah, check out the tool link, check out the discount links. There's also a merch link, which is hoodies, shirts. I also have my stickers up there too. I'm gonna try and get hats on there. But yeah, I give out stickers for free because there is a link to request stickers at my website. So right now there's over 50 people on the wait list. If you put your name on there, you're on the list to get stickers. It's just, as I get them. So right now I don't have any. I'm out of stock. I will restock very soon. And, I only do that every few months. So if you prefer to buy some, and they're going to be bigger when you buy them, because I think at that website, they're basically all going to be 4 to 5 inches. So that's like twice the size as the ones that I make. But if you want to buy one, they're on that merch link where it says hoodies and shirts. The stickers are available there too. And I even have the new logo up, which also I just finally designed a t-shirt for it. So it's up there too for you guys. I've been asking for that new logo. It's already up there. So go check that out. Just wanted to kind of plug that in there. And thanks to my members, thanks to the subscribers, everybody who watches the videos. So yeah, I also had a lot of comments on the fanny pack I made. It's funny because I bought that CP4, I believe it's called. It just looked like a fanny pack, but I was using it as a maintenance bag. So hopefully this week, this will be the next tool video that I have up, because you guys have been asking me what's loaded out in it. It actually carries quite a bit. And put a shoulder strap on it, and I was using this for maintenance. So I had a month or two full of maintenance calls, you know, right before we got busy for summer, and that worked out really well. And I use it as a crossbody sling basically. So I'll show you the different versions that I've done with that. I'll probably do that in one video so that you have maybe some different options. You might not you know, want to go buy a CP4, but you have an MB2. A lot of people have the MB2. So that'll be up soon. And that maintenance bag, the CP4, fits a lot. And it also fit itself in my PM pack out. So I had all my cleaners in there and all my different hoses. And I was able to put that bag also in the PM pack out and just go up with one box, basically. So that video will be up soon. Let me go through my comments real quick. So we got I'm sorry, bro. Silo Johnson. Thanks for making the video. A buddy from my HVAC class recommended this to me. I've been trying to find an apprenticeship to get into, to get a little bit of field work. Love the video. It's pretty cool to see you guys, or guys like you, trying to help guys like me, giving out pointers. And stay safe out there. Appreciate it. Seriously, I do. So that's what the channel turned into, is just, you know, trying to help others. Initially I was trying to advertise my company, and then that didn't work out too well because I didn't realize that this reached the whole country, the whole globe. I get a lot of people from Germany and different countries that message me and stuff. So from there, it's just my experience. So I don't want you guys to make the same mistakes I did, or that I'm currently making. I make mistakes all the time, and I'll get more into that, or get back into that soon, as far as like training and showing you guys how, or like, I guess it would be tips and tricks, but just how I dealt with some stuff, you know, like burning copper, burning holster copper is one I wanted to go over, and some brazing tips, some little things here and there that I've had to deal with. Aaron, you're an inspiration. Thanks for the video. That's crazy when I get messages that I inspire people to get into the trade or start their own business. Even the ones that tell me that they show my videos at their, I guess, morning meetings, it blows me away. I appreciate that, Aaron. And this wind is getting crazy. It's supposed to be hot, and I think we've had cloudy weather all week, which is kind of weird. It was forecasted to rain all week, and it never rained. It's probably going to hit us today. So I appreciate everybody who comments. You know, Shine over here, thanks for sharing. Great video. Had a similar experience. That's the one where I misdiagnosed a compressor. HVAC blogger, honesty is everything. You may feel embarrassed, but the customer aren't. Appreciate the honest tech trying to save money. My mind always goes to repair first. So I'm going to try and get that compressor or whatever it is going first. And then sometimes I'm like, yeah, it's a simple fix. And then it turns into, no, you need a new compressor or something like that. So just take it step by step. If you cut corners, you're going to tend to make mistakes. So just try and keep a clear mind. Refrigeration cycle is the same for everybody. So get in there, look at your components, and then it's just going to be like safeties in between, and you got to figure out if there's something cutting it out or if there's a bad component. When do you open or Sam Andrew, when do you open the Reliable RGV HVAC Academy? We can dream, right? It'd be cool to have a little, or to do classes around here. I'm not the best though. I don't know if I'd be a good teacher. Lots of great videos. Calix, I appreciate that super thanks that you gave. So if you guys are on the live streams, there's called, what are they called? Super chats, so you can donate to the channel. There's also a thing where you can like donate in the comments. I think it's called the super thanks. So Calix did that. I really appreciate that, man. All right, I keep having to switch scenery, but yeah, so the main point to the video was we have a giveaway. So we have a Jumper King to give away. Robert Kraft, who I just had on the show, amazing guest. Loved hearing about the invention side. You know, the Trade Fox is a product invented by techs. It's basically a sub-brand of Subco because it's all tech invented stuff. Appreciated him sharing his experience, the stuff that he went through. You know, it got rejected a few times. He's done his part to make sure that he had it down pat to where, you know, everything was laid out. They helped him design the final version of it. So yeah, if you guys want to win one, Robert was kind enough to give one away. So you get the all the little jumpers, piercing tips, magnetic tips, spade connectors, alligator clips, and then the Jumper King itself, which is not battery powered or anything. It just switches. So you give 24 volts to the main supply, and then you're just gonna, whatever you connect to, you're passing that 24 volts over to. And basically it's super simple and helpful, especially to younger guys or guys that do a lot of jumping. You have control. Like, I don't like getting shocked. I don't like shorting out stuff. I've had, you know, oh shit moments. And if you have control, you have a kill switch, obviously. But if you have control over each one, you want to stage on stuff, or you want things to come on, like only the blower motor or only the compressor really quick. It's a cool way to do it. So if you guys want to win one, we're gonna send one out to you. Just like this video, comment that you want one or what you would use it for, or just anything on the Jumper King. Leave a comment, we'll enter you, and make sure you're subscribed. If you want a chance at an extra entry, go over to my Instagram. I'm gonna have a post on there, and it's just gonna be it'll be a photo. Make it simple, and you can comment on that. So yeah, I appreciate you guys. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Get entered in the Jumper King giveaway, and I'll see you guys.